it's me and Glam Goat. Mail. Ooh, yes we did. We got some friend mail, didn't we? Yes, we did. Say, hey everybody, we got friend mail. Who is it from? It's from Alice at Alice Makeup and Alice Lynn Makeup and More. Sorry about that, Alice. Anyways, it's a pretty big box. I'm pretty excited. So we're going to open this puppy up, and if you're as curious as we are to see what's in it, come on back, cuz we're going to open her up. Aren't we? We're going to open up that box. Alright, so Alice Lynn Beauty and More. Look at the size of this here box, and it's got a little weight behind it here too. Like, wow. So we're gonna open up our trusty pink knife. Like, I'm so excited. So excited. Open it up and let's see what we got. Phew. Well, got some bubble wrap. Jake, you'll be happy for that. Jake loves bubble wrap. Oh, we have a card. What did I do with my glasses? Because y'all know you can't see a damn thing without the glasses, right? Where friends are, smiles are generous, kindness is multiplied, sorrows are softened, laughter is healing, and years are celebrated. Aw, grateful for your friendship and so blessed by it. Have a happy birthday. It was just my birthday. Right there. A couple weeks ago, whatever. Love you always. Blessings and hugs, Alice. And she got little stickers on it. Y'all know how I love stickers. Hello, my beautiful friend / sis. Hope that you had an amazing birthday. I hope you know that I am here if you ever want to chat. Truly grateful and blessed to call you a friend. Oh, me too, girl. Me too. Hope you enjoy all of the goodies I sent you. I'm sure I will. And look at the little stickers. They're so cute. And the card. Thank you, Alice. How sweet. So we got, there's like, this could take a minute. This could take a minute. All right. What we got? What is it? Ooh. I be going through some powder. So, and Bella Pierre, this is a nice powder right here. I am thankful to get that. Thank you so much, Alice. Flamingo. Ha ha! He is adorable. Oh, yeah. Okay, so you're going to sit right here for a minute. There he is. Can y'all see him there? There he is. Okay, and some more paper on the floor. Ooh, can always use emery boards. Awesome, thank you. Matter of fact, I was just kind of looking for emery board this morning. Okay, introducing Salts Blot and Translucent Powder. So, some samples, some powder samples. That's cool. Okay, we have the Illuminati and ISA palette. Cute. I'm not going to open that up right now because, gosh, I am going to have to find someplace to set everything down. All right, what else we got? What is this? Oh, this is so cute. Oh, that is so cute. I am loving it. Oh, I am. Yeah, this is really cute. This is really cute. I am loving that. Thank you, Alice. Like pink and black. I think goes with my eyeshadow today. Pink and black is one of my favorite color combinations. Okay, and we have, my goodness, every time I go to pull out some paper, it's got something in it. Like, gee, Alice. Wow, girl. Ooh, what is this? This is Hayaku Skincare, Honeybee, paraben sulfate free, and body lotion. Always use, I got this dry skin, so you can always use more body lotion. Oh, these are adorable. What are they? I don't know. Stirrers. You know what? You can use these for coffee. I don't drink alcohol, but still, they can be like coffee stirrers. Look at those. The mango stirrers. Oh my god, those are adorable. Check out this. This is like, this is like a little handbag. This is nice. Does it say? I can't even, one of those names that, you can't pronounce. Oh my goodness. And it looks like it's 3 separate compartments. I don't know if my phone will fit in that or not, but if it will, that will be nice. What do we got here? Ahava Hydration Cream Mask. Ooh, I like a good, y'all know I like a good mask. I do. Okay, I guess I could, like, I'm starting to get a little bit more room in here. Oh my goodness, more stuff. More stuff. Oh. Wow, Alice, you just did not waste any of this at all. So, ooh, yeah, these are for working on your, making designs on your fingernails. These are awesome. Thank you. Oh, these are little hair ties. Oh my goodness. Little furry hair ties. Oh, those are adorable. Those are simply adorable. And then what do we got here? Never forget how flamazing you are. It's a little keychain with a flamingo. That's adorable. That's going to go right on my keychains. And this one is best friends are the sisters we choose. Oh, yeah, you can't see that. Thank you, Alice. Like, I'm going to take out more paper. But no! There's more stuff in here. So how does this work? Oh, that is so cute. Look at that. It's a, like a hair clampy. So I guess you would sort of go like this. Not really sure. All right. I don't have enough caught in there, so we're just going to have to kind of go sideways here a little bit, I think. There. Will that work a little better? Oh, that is adorable. I love it. Tell me there's more in here. Lord have mercy, girl. Ooh. Ooze. definite pinkage going on. Oh, stickers. Now y'all know. I love me some stickers. Keep calm and get your nails done. Oh my goodness. Just like so many stickers. Flamingo, obviously. I know that was like, ooh. Alright, so I'm now putting down the stickers. What is this? This is so pretty. Look at that color. Oh, Lord of mercy. This is Okalan? Oh my goodness. That's beautiful. Oh, that is gorgeous. Gorgeous. Oh, yeah. That is so pretty and sparkly, too. Oh, yeah, baby. Oh, yeah. And then we have this huge freaking box. Oh, wait a minute. There's still more. Excuse me. There's still more. Wow, Alice. Thank you so much, Alice. This is like banana setting powder. Oh yeah, I love the banana setting powder. Awesome. This is by Beauty Creations. Whatever. Banana setting powder. You know, a good setting or a finishing powder. As long as it's just nice and super fine. You know, very well milled. And Pure Cosmetics Picture Perfect HD Powder. Alice, you done good. You done good. You done very well. Okay, now let's see. This is SX Cosmetics. If you can even... Don't you love when they, use light lettering on a light background so that, you can't possibly see it? And so it opens. Okay, here we go. Got it. It opens right here. Okay. Ooh, what is this? Wow. This is like... Oh, cool. Gel art. Look at that. Look at all these beautiful shades. Whoa, Alice. Are you serious? There's like every shade that you could even like... You could do summer, Christmas. I mean, there's just like everything in here. Is there red? Yes, there is. There's shiny stuff. Shiny stuff. Oh, this is awesome. Thank you so much, Alice. You totally went above and beyond, girl. Absolutely. Wow. Thank you so much. And this is definitely like, I'm pretty sure my phone will fit in here. I like that it has 3 different compartments. And it's, flamingos. Totally me. Yeah, this is, I love it. I love it. And even if I don't, like, say I want to take more stuff and I need something a little larger, I can just throw this right in my, handbag. So that's that too. This is great though. I love it. And it's got like metal zippers, metal tags on the zippers. This is way cool, Alice. Way cool. So, girl, thank you so much. These are adorb, and this is so cute too. So cute. I love it. Thank you once again. And guys, thanks for, watching and sharing with me. And, wow, just, I feel very blessed that, you would send me all this stuff. Like, oh my goodness. Once again, thank you so much. Love you so much, Alice. And until the next time, I hope you right there, wake up dancing, boom, boom, wake up dancing every single day. Bye-bye.